Hello guys, I will tell you in this video how you can earn money through website in USA. Need extra income, work and home 80 to 90 hours, great.com. Make money online, work from home. Visit today for more information. Easy works on how to earn money online. Sign up today and get Jitesh Behla work.net netlify.app. Earn up to 24 per hour. Make extra money online. Make money online now. Simple work from home. Call today for more information. Start earning from today without leaving your home. Reload.com. Earn anytime from anywhere. Get paid to refer work time, full time, or anytime. Earn when you want, where you want. Monetize 100% of your traffic. Set up ad.com. Monetize your website with ads. Implement advanced header bidding technology and earn more money from ads on your website with our in-house developed header bidding solution. Ad our products blog center, get a free trial with the first. If you want to earn extra cash, turn to these money making websites: upwork.com, fiverr.com, etsy.com, taskrabbit.com, wonder.com, threadup.com, swap.com, or gazelle.com. Money usnews.com/articles. 12 websites to make money online. Family finance, US news. Which website is best for earning money? These include Second Life, Swapbucks, Luxtastic, and Misplay. Some of the websites pay you in the form of gift cards and some through PayPal. You can earn money by taking online surveys like Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, and Inbox Dollar. LiveMint.com, 10 easy ways to earn money online. Mint. How can I make $100 a day online? If you are interested in earning money online in your spare time, check out these 25 ways you can earn $100 or more per day. Google AdSense, text links, affiliate marketing, display ads, freelance writing, get new clients for your business, selling leads, digital products. How can I earn money from USA, from home in USA? Become a virtual assistant. One simple way to make money from home is to help others complete tasks as a virtual assistant. Sell stuff on eBay or Craigslist, trade cryptocurrency, online tutoring, sell services on Fiverr, build sales funnels, rent out your home, launch an e-commerce website. Trusted online money making sites: Swagbucks, Upwork, Fiverr, TaskRabbit. Which app gives you real money? Swagbucks is one of the top money making apps that actually pays users through PayPal. They have endless service to take, and you can also earn money by playing games, shopping online, weekly contests, and more. How can I make $100 a day? It's creative money to make money. Take part in research up to $150 an hour. Get paid to take service. Become a shopper. Get paid to watch videos online. Wrap your car. Sell your crafts. Download these user. Make 20 by going online. Make extra $100 persisting. Is online earning safe? If you like writing, you could look into freelance works for websites where you could earn a decent amount of extra money and be assured of payment even if it is a bit late sometimes. The internet is a great place to make a little extra cash, but like any investment you make, there is always a risk. Can I earn money from Google sites? If you have a public site built on Google sites, you might be earning revenue with Google AdSense. You can see earnings by day, page, domain, or specific ads. And you can also use Google Analytics to see the source of your traffic and earnings. Adding AdSense to your Google site is easy. How can I make money online daily? Yes, there are various ways where you can make money online in Kenya: blogging, AdSense, and sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, writing articles, transcription, YouTube. Um, get PayPal $100 for free with Swagbucks. Sign up Swagbucks. Sign up for free with just email password. Earn 10,000 Swagbucks. Complete service. Take a country promise. Find shopping, display games, or watch videos. Redeem your budget for PayPal $100. Exchange your SP for a PayPal $100. Okay, how can I money by making a website? 10 most common make website money with your website: affiliate marketing and affiliate links, pay per click advertising, Google AdSense, sell ad space, sell your own digital product, ebook, for example, accept donations, from visitors, sell sponsor posts, generate leads to other companies. Does YouTube pay every month? YouTube paying us to ads is the primary method we create them. The payout is vary from time to time. There's no figure you can earn yearly monthly. Mine is the range of 1.5 to 2 lakhs monthly. How much does AdSense pay per thousand? If you underestimate 0.5 to 0.5 pay, then you are would be equal to $6. If you underestimate $180 from 45,000 ad impressions, you are will be equal to $4. How can I check my website is earning free? urlworth.com. urlworth.com is one of the simplest site to check your website's earning. The user interface is quite simple and makes it easy to use. Also, it shows Google PageRank, delicious links, Reddit links, Tumblr links, and backlinks from many other sites. How much does the website cost? How much should a website cost? Through on average, the upfront cost of a site, which includes launching and designing, is 12,000 to $150,000, while routine website maintenance ranges from 35 to $5 per month or $4 600 per year. How much should a website cost? The official guide WebFX. Is Google AdSense free? No, participation in AdSense is free. Even better, Google will pay you for the clicks and impressions on the Google Ads play on your site. For more details on the revenue you can generate with AdSense, read our AdSense. How much is a website earning? Estimated income. Big sites can earn over $5,000 per month. The average profitable website can earn about $2,000 in a month. How much does a beginner website cost? The average cost of a basic website creation by a freelance website designer is 6760 according to website builder expert. The cost only covers the first year. That said, each cost can vary. Setup can cost as little as 50 and go as high as 2 depending on the website domain cost and other factors. How much does the file? If you need a custom website design, you can usually expect to pay 500 for a website from 5 pages. Custom can mean different things in a website. Most websites are built with premium themes that can be customized. How can I get $500 on Facebook? Paid traffic method. Leverage Facebook ads to make 500. Target the right interest, having a good ad copy, implementing advanced ad strategies. How do I know if a website is eligible for AdSense? To check eligibility for your site, sign into your Google AdSense accounts, click sites, click match content. If you don't see match content on the site, then you are currently not eligible to use match content if your site is listed. Do websites make money per click? Websites earn revenue when visitors engage with their ads, commonly by generating impressions, engagements, or clicks. An advertiser, for example, might pay a publisher 20 cents per click. If their ad generates 500 clicks a year, the publisher earns $10 a day or $300 a month. So that's it. That's for today. Hope you like how to earn money through website in USA.